Hello, Bimbi's Joy here again. Welcome back to another easy crochet tutorial for beginners. Today, we're going to be making a crochet hat. If you've never successfully started or completed a crochet project before, just stay glued because you're about to complete this one. So we're going to start with a slip knot. And then we're going to chain 5. So let's chain 5. The next thing to do is to locate the very first chain you created and then do a slip stitch. Once you're done, you'll notice that you've created a circle, which is the magic ring. Locate that circle. Yeah, this is it. And so we're going to chain 2. The next thing to do now is to do 3 treble crochets into that magic ring or that circle that you've created. This is the first treble crochet. Pull out through, yarn over, pull out 2, yarn over, pull out the last 2. Now the second treble crochet. The next thing to do is to do 3 double crochets. Here is the first double crochet. And then the last double crochet. Once you're done with the 3 double crochets, you're going to chain 1. Then you do 1 treble crochet. Chain 1 again. Then do 3 double crochets into that magic ring. I bet if you follow it the same way I did, you're going to get a perfect crochet hat. The next thing now is to do 3 treble crochets. Once you're done, you will chain 2 and then you do a slip stitch into that circle. Chain 1 again, and then we're done. See how simple it is. Cut off the yarn. Now for you to be able to tighten or to close that circle, just pull the yarn at the back to close it. And there you have your crochet hat. I always like to tie mine. You can also weave in the tail, weave in the excess yarn, or you tie it whichever way you like it. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. So if you found this video helpful, do well to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and it will enable me to be able to make more tutorials like this for you. See you in the next one.